What's up guys, it's Isaac here with Krietz Customs, and today I have a 2020 Chevy Silverado 1500, a blue one with the black out grille and some black accents on it. So I'm really excited to go over what we did to this one. So if you guys are looking to get your truck lifted, figure out what wheels and tires to go with, take a look at what we did to this one. This one's gonna have a 6-inch Rough Country suspension lift kit with the Strut Spacer. So when you get a lift kit from Rough Country, you have your three options of a lifted strut spacer or the lifted strut, or the third option, the Vertex shocks, which are adjustable coilovers. So we went with the lifted, or the Strut Spacer with this one because it's just a brand new truck, doesn't have a lot of miles on it, so there's no need to go ahead and replace that factory strut. Say if you do have one that does have a little bit more miles on it, you can go with the lifted strut to get some of that ride quality back. Or if you have either one, you can also just go with the Vertex shocks to get the best ride quality overall. With this wheel and tire setup, we went with a 35 1250 R22 Nitto Ridge Grappler, which is going to be a hybrid tire, a mix between the mud terrain and the all-terrain tire. So it's going to give you a little bit of the best of both worlds. You're going to get a little bit of the bigger tread on the shoulders of the tire, but you're going to have a little bit more of a compact on the center, which is going to cut down the noise on the road, and you're going to get a little bit of a longer wear life out of these tires. But at the same time, you're going to get that aggressive look. You do have your other options if you don't want to go with the hybrid tire. You can go with the mud terrain by Nitto, which is just going to be the trail grappler. You're going to get the just more knobby look all across, giving you that a lot more aggressive feel, and also that performance off-road. Or you can go with the all-terrain, the Trail Grappler G2, which is going to give you the best noise reduction as well as the longest tread life. Down here we have a 22x12 Fuel Blitz in the gloss black. This one's going to really set off with this truck because of all the black accents. So overall, I think this is a really good looking truck that's not going to last long on our lot here at Krietz Auto. However, this one's going to come with the -44 offset with that 22x12 dimension. So it's going to really push that center of the wheel in there and give it that nice deep concave look, which is also in return going to push that wheel and tire package out 4 to 5 inches from the fenders, getting a nice wider stance. What I really like about this one is just how aggressive this one can be. It has a little bit of the rivets on the outside, and I think some of this, how they design the spokes, just give it a little bit of that aggressiveness that you will want. This one also comes with the open lug, so you could run spiked lug nuts with this one if you would like to. But you do have other options as well. If you want to go with a different finish, you have the gloss black and milled, and then you also have, like this one, the all gloss black. It comes in a lot of different sizes, so if you guys want to see other sizes and more information about this wheel or any of the other things about this truck, make sure you check out the link in the description. So if you guys like it and want to get your truck built like this one, we can do that for you here at Krietz Customs. Just make sure you check out the information below. But you can also take advantage of our 0% financing for up to 12 months. So if you have any questions, make sure you check out all the information below.